In our paper, we propose a new CPG model which incorporates inertial feedback directly into the main CPG dynamical system to allow stable locomotion and climbing of a legged robot in complex terrains, such as inclines and rock slides. In particular, our main goal is to keep the robot's body level and at a constant height from the ground during locomotion. However, our posture control method can be used to keep the robot's body under any arbitrary pose during locomotion. We develop a CPG model in the joint space of the robot, meaning that its outputs directly command the joint angles on each of the legs. To stabilize the robot, we focus on correcting the end effector's positions in the body frame of the robot to achieve the desired body pose. By relying on the kinematics of the robot, we then translate the error in end effector positions to joint angle corrections. These corrections are then introduced as an additional feedback term directly into the CPG model. By directly correcting the end effector positions in the body frame, the robot's body is generally translated towards a sloped ground, which results in additional stability during climbing. In this paper, we also extend the standard joint space CPG model to allow arbitrary limit cycle shapes. By focusing on an interesting class of limit cycles, a single parameter allows us to switch between elliptical and rectangular end effector movements in the wall space. Elliptical steps seem better fit for locomotion on planar grounds, whereas rectangular steps help with precise foot placement in unstructured terrains. We validated our approach on a 18 degree of freedom hexapod robot during indoor and outdoor trials. In-lab trials compare the performance of our stabilized CPG to that of simple open-loop locomotion in terms of average forward speed in challenging scenarios. First, we compare the traversability of different sloped inclines and show that stabilization helps increase the maximal slope that can be climbed by our robot by a factor of 2. Second, we show that on a fixed slope rocky incline, our stabilized CPG allows the robot to locomote about twice as fast as an open-loop controller. Finally, we present experimental results of our approach outdoors in a scenario involving 3 different environments that the robot needs to traverse. This one-take video shows the robot climbing up a 20-degree grass incline, then climb down a similar sloped rock slide, and then climb up a flight of stairs. Note how the robot's body stays level even during the very challenging task of climbing down the unstable and unstructured rock slide. In this video, the onboard camera attached to the robot's body is only used to provide a first-person view from the robot's perspective, and is not used to close the loop on control. Note that, during this 10-minute long trial, the robot is controlled remotely but can only be given one of 2 commands: go forward at constant speed or turn left or right at constant angular speed.